It's cold outside, and spring is like months away. So one thing I wanted to do was I wanted to bring spring into the house, even though it's freezing cold winter outside. And the best way to do that is to make a nice cocktail. So today we're going to test out the Cosori Professional Blender by making a mudslide. This is one of Eric's favorite cocktails. It is creamy, it is chocolatey, and it tastes a little bit like coffee. So join me as we make a mudslide. I just want to thank Cosori for sending us this blender. It looks really, really cool. We're going to check it out today and put it to the test by making this really, really delicious cocktail. Now, most of you are familiar with the mudslide. It is a classic frozen cocktail. Creamy, chocolatey, coffee, and it is just fabulous. So, let's make one. So let's make our mudslide. So this drink is pretty easy. It's equal parts all of our ingredients. So depending on how much you want to make, you can just, increase each one. So the very first thing, vodka. We're going 2 ounces on each of these. So 2 ounces of vodka. Yay. And that's going in. Ooh. We're doing 2 ounces of Baileys. Smells good. We're doing 2 ounces of Kahlua, which is a coffee liqueur. This is where you get your coffee flavor in it. 2 ounces. We're using 2 ounces of heavy cream. You can use ice cream. You can use just vanilla ice cream. We're just using heavy cream. Okay, so let's put some ice in there. I've got 2 cups of ice. 2, 2, 2. Everything is in 2s. See if we need some more ice after this. Put our little lid on. And time to rock and roll. So I'm going to put in just a little bit more ice because I want it a little bit milkshakey. So, a classic mudslide has chocolate sliding down the glass. That's why it's a mudslide, right? So we're going to try this. We're just going to squirt it on the side of the glass. Woo! We're going to pour in the mudslide. It's nice and thick and creamy. Ooh. Wow! That's pretty cool. We're going to give us a little shot of whipped cream. Woo! We're going to take a little bit of chocolate and we're just going to, look at that, or a lot of chocolate, right? Sweet. Give us a little on the plate. We're going to top this baby with a cherry. Now I know I'm going to get this cherry all over because these cherries are stemless. Can you believe that? Boom. Sweet, sweet, sweet. You like that, Eric?
I don't know, maybe.
Think you can take a little drink of that? Look at that, folks. A classic mudslide. Sweet! Cosori, you're awesome. Oops, I lost my cherry. So, let's get Eric over here and have him take a taste.
I guess you'll find it shocking that this is the fun part. Poor Amy can't have any of this. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yum, yum. Cheers. Yeah, it's not happening.
Tasty?
If I get some in my mouth, it'll be tasty. Mmm, got some alcohol. I just got a little chocolate. So obviously it's cold because it's frozen. It is smooth. There's no ice chunks at all, so it's very smooth. So that's good, right? Because you would think cheap blenders might just have it too chunky or gritty, but no, this is nice and smooth. Yeah, it's way too thick. It would have to warm up for me to guzzle it, right? So we got a good blend of the different alcohols in here. The cream, the ice, it just all blended in. See if I can do this again. I didn't see that coming.
Blooper!
Dang, that was a waste of alcohol. Cheers, again. Take two. Mmm. Yum, yum. Starting to feel a little cold in here. Mm-hmm. I give this recipe my seal of approval.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Eric loves that drink, and it was a lot of fun making it. Unfortunately, I can't try it because I'm allergic to dairy, and I have an allergy to chocolate as well. But I am going to make a non-dairy version of a mudslide for me that's going to have strawberry in it. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to work on that recipe, and then I'll do an upload on that. So the Cosori blender. I think it's a really nice blender. It's powerful. It blended that ice to a creamy consistency with all the dairy in there. It worked really, really great. I really think that this jar is awesome, and it's dishwasher safe. But with all the metal in it, the only drawback is the lid. It has this little thing on it, and it makes a great seal in there, but it can be a little hard to get it off. But it probably keeps the heat in there for the soup function. So we did a little test. Eric ran through how to operate this on our unboxing video. I'll put a link to that in the description. And one little bonus, it has a little handle here at the bottom, so you can lift it up and makes it easy to move around. I think it's a great little blender. Much better than your common blenders at your big box and kind of local stores. It's a massive step up from that. If you want to get into cocktail making, smoothie making, I think this is a good choice, especially for the price. One benefit of this, the blades are at the bottom. Some of those other brands out there have multi-level blades up in the blender, and that just means if you try to put your hand in there to wash it, you don't want to put it obviously all the way down to the bottom, but when it has those multi-tier blades, you're really risking cutting yourself. So I think that's really great with this blender. I really like it. If you want to take a look at it, there'll be a link in the description as well as a link to our unboxing. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook.